These new school Mopars all sound the same. They're like, oh, whoa. Well,
how much was that altogether?
I don't know, like 20 bucks. No tip January. Exhaust time. Wee.
So are you tired of your exhaust?
I'm so tired of it. It sounds just like a Prius, and I'm over it. Just cueing all the times I pass the camera with Flintstone noises, or what's that one noise? Oh, the Jetson noise. Because it literally sounds like it's a V6, and I've had many people ask if it was a V6. When a 6.4 liter sounds like a V6, time to bust out the old sawzall and make up some old pipes for it. Therefore, here goes nada. Safety glasses. Oh my gosh, you hear how solid that was?
It's a big guy.
Big guy.
Just leave it like a dump.
Could. And just hang the tips right there.
Just like every other economy car with the fake tips.
Or one side smokes, the other doesn't.
Yeah.
Gnarly. It had a
ground?
I had a ground to the exhaust. Weird. We're done. That's it, guys.
How much does that weigh?
Not very much. Probably like 6 pounds, 7 pounds.
Oh, that doesn't weigh that much at all.
Ooh. I want to start it up. If I don't like it, I'll just leave it like this for a week and buy exhaust, actually. I'm not shit. If I don't like it, we're getting Borla.
Borla.
Might as well spend the big money if you're in debt. Pray for me, everybody in the audience. I don't want to spend $1,000.
Has a little bit more rasp to it, but that middle one needs cut out. Just straight pipe it today, bud.
That doesn't happen. I don't know why I decided to do this. Muffler delete, bro!
With the sawzall.
With the sawzall.
So from your experience already with this, what would you recommend the viewers?
Buy a kit, spend the extra money, and
buy a cat back.
Buy a cat back, just because you know how we are around here. We like to do our own thing, but I'd recommend a cat back just because it's gonna always look better. It's gonna
sound better.
Yeah.
Because this doesn't really make too much of a difference.
No.
There's some difference, but it's not too much.
Not insane.
That middle.
If we took the suitcase out instead, it probably would have been quite a bit different, but
Sean doesn't like a drone.
I don't want to drone, and they say that these don't drone very much. I just don't want to. I drive this quite often, so I don't want to deal with it. If it's wah, like Alex's car.
Yeah, and you'll probably sell this within a couple months anyway, so.
Yeah, we can hope. We'll do an update video on that someday soon. I'll tell you why it's not good to buy certain vehicles. Here's a PSA. I'm going to talk to you about something really quick. It's about salvage title vehicles, which this vehicle is. It's a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee 6.4 liter SRT. So basically, I bought it as a prior theft from a salvage title dealer, and I kind of knew what I was getting myself into because, you know, I've been around salvage title vehicles for a while. I think it's been, I don't know, it's been a while since I've kind of wanted to resell one. That's been kind of a mother trucker, because people are very uneducated about salvage title vehicles, and specifically, I guess, theft vehicles. Everybody wants to buy something for about 50% off they think a salvage title is, because they think obviously it's been wrecked to shit. To actually get these back on the street and everything, they have to be inspected, and unless you're in a sketchier area, the inspections are pretty extreme. Like, they have to be on point, or else they won't pass inspection, and then it won't be driven on the road. There's no other way. And from the experiences is that, personally, now how uneducated people are about salvage title vehicles, I would recommend don't even mess with one. If you don't plan on buying it to drive the wheels off it and have it forever, or buy it for your kid for a, you know, school vehicle, don't do it, because it's just, there's so much misunderstanding about it. It makes it kind of, the resale, extremely hard. Nobody knows. If you're looking at buying a vehicle for yourself for a halfway decent price, like Alex did, a salvage title Mustang, got it for 15 grand, and most of the ones like that are going for 20 grand. It's worth it. I mean, it's very much worth it, and if you can get those deals, do it. But just don't plan on reselling it, because it's a headache and a half dealing with people that think they want something for nothing. And
28 for this thing.
I mean, someone offers 25 grand for a, you know, this car with a clean title is worth $42,000. It's just like, are you fucking stupid? Are you an idiot?
Go buy V6.
Go freaking do a Honda dealership and go freaking buy something that's a piece of economy car, and go and then find your $26,000. Like, what the, that doesn't even make sense. Everybody always thinks everybody's desperate to sell things, which I understand, but
25.
But 25 grand for literally a almost $45,000 car? What? Stupid. Away from me, and that's towards me, right? Yeah. So here's the thing for these Jeeps. They have kind of like a pressurized exhaust, so these open when, you know, you're full throttle, because it's pushing as much exhaust out of it as it can. Basically what we're gonna do is it changes the note pretty heavily, and I looked up and the Borla is actually just kind of, they get rid of those completely. You cut those and then you basically just clamp the Borla to it. I'm gonna actually weld these so they stay open. So I'm just gonna put a piece of steel across, and then that'll be it. And then it's automatically basically Borla, because that's all I do is get rid of the butterflies. Basically Borla.
Yeah, it only lets you rev till
4 grand.
Yeah.
That's fine.
On the street, it should sound even better.
Once we move the old diesel TDI, we can see what it sounds like on the road. That thing sounds so much better. Holy sh!
That's a W! That sounds so much better.
Is it really that much better?
Yeah.
Dude, I think
I can actually hear you.
I left some tread, I think, too. Dude, it was like screaming for traction. It was like, holy fuck. When I first took off, it was like bouncing. I'm like, what? Well,
how much was that altogether?
I don't know, like 20 bucks.
$20 exhaust to make your stock SRT8 sound good.
Sound decent.
Sound decently better, but for 20 bucks.
Yeah,
I mean,
for real.
Come on.
And you can actually hear it even when it's idling.
Yeah, that was like a 3-hour job too. It could have been less if we had everything, but
fooling around and it wasn't negative 100 degrees out.
Yeah, freaking Iowa. Whatever.
We're moving to Texas.
Texas is crazy. I love Texas.
It's so sad. Okay, yeah, just take off from a broad start.
Oh yeah, that's exactly. Dude, that sounds like a classic Mopar.
Oh, dude, these new school Mopars all sound the same. They're like, whoa, whoa.
I love it. And that's what she sounds like now. That's awesome.
So here's a quick summary of what happened. At first, I thought I was gonna go like poop since we don't have a good bender, but we ended up finding some nice piping. Took the suitcases out, the little suitcases, carry-ons. Actually, it went pretty good. We welded all that in, and it sounds like a Charger or Challenger, which is exactly what I was kind of going for. So now it doesn't sound like a luxury Prius.
For 20 bucks.
For about 20 bucks. For all you SRT8, Grand Cherokee, or just SRT8 people in general, do a muffler delete instead of paying
It's $1,800.
$1,800 for full Borla attack. Well,
unless you want to.
Unless you have the funds to do so. Then, dude, you just treat yourself, girl. But I don't have that. Falling on a budget like always.